So you can still see all of the cleanup that's going to be happening, and we still are dealing with a hurricane this morning. So getting those local reports coming in. All right, the latest on Milton at 5:18 this morning. That center of circulation at last check was 10 miles northeast of Cape Canaveral, out over the open water. Still winds at 85, gusting up to 105, moving northeast at 18. So moving away from shore, but still seeing that rain moving onshore. That storm surge continuing to push its way in as we have that easterly to then that east northeast wind to the southwest flow around that center of circulation. Will be a weak Category 1 hurricane later this afternoon, and then downgrading to a tropical depression and continuing to weaken going through the end of Friday into Saturday and then into Sunday. But looking at the wind gusts over the last 4 hours, winds gusting up to near 67 to near 70 miles per hour as that center of circulation continues to work offshore out of the north to then the northwest in Orlando. Still seeing those wind gusts up in tropical storm strength. Now, all of the hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings on the west sides of Florida canceled, but they continue on the east sides, even through central Florida. Tropical storm warnings and hurricane warnings as Milton is just offshore, but you can still see those bands working onshore, that wind turning more northerly over the next couple of hours. Still flash flood warnings continuing for Lake Orange, Seminole, Volusia counties going through the morning hours because of so much rain. Take a look at this rain swath as that center of circulation pulled its way to the north and east, even in the Tampa Bay area. As we zoom our way down a bit more, these numbers will pop up and you can see near 15 inches of rain in parts there of the Pinellas County near St. Petersburg to near Tampa Bay, near a foot of rain. So inland flooding also a big concern. Storm surge warnings continue stretching all the way along the Space Coast, stretching up through parts of Georgia. 3 to 5 foot storm surge. So not as high in some spots, but still it is a damaging storm surge. You notice that the satellite imagery, it's really not as impressive as Milton continues to weaken. Had the friction of land now working over some western Atlantic cooler waters, and we're going to continue to lose that structure.